He's just got real mad. I guess he's mad at us. He wanted a credit card. He wanted to go over to Kohl's and buy some stuff.
Yep.
I'll just sit here then. It's
Okay.
private property.
That's fine. Got it. So, what's going on today?
Incident Domestic Violence Response Residential Address Midwest United States. Date of response undisclosed. Bodycam footage obtained via public records request. Officers responded to a welfare call after a family member reported being struck with a golf club by a co-resident identified as Grant.
Let's come this way. And he's in the basement now?
Right now,
Yeah. He's
Okay, I know last time we were here we had firearms in the house.
Those are gone.
they're all gone.
There was a couple of old guns.
They were just antique things, and they're all taken to another.
Okay, is he locked in the basement?
No, but
No, we
he doesn't
can-
hear
we can
you,
get him.
and you hurry and get downstairs.
Okay. Come this way a little bit more. So where did he hit
Let's
you?
go over here.
He hit me on the shoulder.
Okay.
With
Yeah,
a
you got a
golf
pretty
club.
good lump. Do you need an ambulance?
No, I don't.
You don't want to have anybody look at that?
No.
Dad's got a pretty good lump on the shoulder where he got hit.
Okay.
He got served by the county deputy this morning.
Okay.
This neighbor here filled out a
no contact.
stalking, no contact,
Yep.
and I guess that got him really upset because I let the sheriff into the house to serve him,
Okay.
and Grant needs to go.
What time was that?
I don't know, about an hour ago,
Maybe
Okay.
a half an hour.
maybe half an hour ago. Grant needs to go back to county jail. Just exactly a year ago, he was there, and they held him for like 2.5 weeks until.
You keep them like 5
Okay.
days or 6 days.
And, I don't know. You've been here before.
That was for domestic that time too, right?
Yeah, an escape and
Yeah.
resisting arrest.
Can you hold out your hands again? I noticed you got some other injuries here.
That's old.
What about on your finger right here? That's.
Oh,
I see-
I don't know.
Can I see that again?
That's with a golf club.
Yeah, you got
putter.
It looks like he came down your arm as well because you got a red mark over here. All right.
He's just got real mad. I guess he's mad at us. He wanted a credit card. He wanted to go over to Kohl's and buy some stuff. We thought he'd be headed
And
for
he really-
Kohl's.
He didn't really need a credit card for that. Sometimes when it gets to this point, it's almost like he's trying to cause
arrested?
somebody to come and
Instigate
take
stuff?
him away. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's
But,
almost like
I
you
mean,
can feel it. It's
because it
like
was
he knows.
Yeah, because it was domestic a year ago. You guys brought him to jail, and nobody was going to bail him out until we felt that they had him under control. And they said okay, and he had been
Oh,
okay
man,
up until about last August.
Okay. Does he have a phone that he uses?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got a phone. Yeah.
Okay. You think if we call him, he'll respond and
I'm just
come
a
up
little,
to speak with us,
little
maybe?
worried that he might be allowed.
Sir, where are you
No,
going?
no.
Yeah.
We're just worried
I
he
don't
might
want
have
him
locked
to
the
he
doors.
barricaded himself here.
That's
now.
fine.
Yeah.
Don't worry
Last
about that.
Okay.
It's,
And
I'm
we'll
not gonna
deal
have
with
you
that.
Go in there at this point because of everything that's going on. I just know last time we were here that he had kind of a melee weapon arsenal with him,
And those are
with bats and swords and
the
stuff.
antique stuff. It's all gone. It's all
Oh, were you here when he was upstairs in the bedroom?
Well, we all know about it, so
Sure.
yeah. So that's our concern. But
No,
I mean,
that's all.
I don't know what he's got down in the basement. I really don't know. I
Okay.
mean, there's no guns.
right?
I don't know if he's got a.
There's
knife.
other issues with his behavior and that last incident that come to mind. I mean, there's a lot that can be used as a weapon that can escalate things, so if we can avoid
You know, a
that.
bunch-
Yeah, we'll get eyes on the back just to make sure.
Do you want me to call him on the phone?
And back. Yeah. Have you dealt with him before?
I have, but never to this extent.
Okay.
It's still unlocked.
It looks like it's still open.
Did it go right to voicemail or the phone call?
He's-
I'm calling.
This footage presents 6 distinct constitutional and statutory issues under the 4th, 5th, and 14th Amendments. Issue 1, Legal Trigger Civil Protective Order. Earlier that morning, a county deputy served Grant with a civil stalking no-contact order obtained by a neighbor. Under most state stalking statutes, a served no-contact order carries immediate legal force. Violation constitutes a criminal offense, providing officers with independent probable cause for arrest upon any breach. Grant's prior record domestic violence escape and resisting arrest is legally significant. Under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386-1989 threat assessment must account for the totality of known criminal history at the time of contact. Issue 2 Warrantless Home, Entry 4 TH Amendment. Officers entered the residence after a family member, a co-occupant and lawful resident opened the door and consented to entry. Under Payton v. New York, 445 U.S. 573198, zero warrantless entry into a home to effect an arrest is presumptively unconstitutional. The home is the most protected zone under the Fourth Amendment. However, Georgia v. Randolph, 547 U.S. 1032006 confirms that consent by one co-occupant is legally valid when the non-consenting party is absent from the threshold here. The subject was in the basement, not present to object. Independent exigent circumstances also applied prior weapon arsenal on premises, bats, swords, credible barricade risk, and an active assault report. Under Brigham City v. Stewart, 547 U.S. 3982006 officer, safety, and emergency aid constitute valid exigency exceptions.
Yeah, your front door is still open.
Why don't you just guys head down to the corner there and wait there?
We got these.
Just hold right there. Hold right there. Yep, we're gonna pull back out.
He's in the kitchen. In the kitchen.
All right. Here, just pull back. Pull back. Just reach and pull back.
Hey, Grant, come out and talk to us.
Hey, Grant. Just stand in line over here. Grant, come on. Come back and talk to us, buddy.
What's going on,
Yeah,
guys? Take it easy.
Okay,
All right.
just have a seat and talk to
Have
us.
a seat on the
That's all we
steps.
want to do.
We want to talk about what's going on today, man.
Can you have a seat on the steps, talk with us?
I don't answer questions anymore.
You don't have to answer, just have a seat for us, man.
Yeah,
Just
at
have-
this point.
Yeah, we got to talk to you about what's going on today.
So you're just detaining me.
Yep.
Yep.
I'll just sit here then. It's
Okay.
my private property.
That's fine.
Got it.
So, what's going on today?
My guy got drunk and fell down the stairs.
Okay, I got you.
All right.
So, all right, and is this like a typical problem with him, or did you guys
You
actually?
should go ask him.
Well,
I
did you
don't
guys have an argument today or anything, or?
know. No, he got drunk and fell down the stairs.
Okay. All right. Well, that's not the report that he's making with us. So we got to obviously.
Oh, he's tricky Lenny,
Well,
as I call
yeah,
him.
but the thing is, we got to
Tells
investigate
a lot
every.
of different stories.
We got to investigate everybody's side of the story. So when somebody reports something, we have to follow up, and we actually have to get every side of the story because we can't just trust one person, right? You understand what I'm saying?
There's two sides to every story. Did you know that?
Okay. So, do you have anything as far as
Help me out
weapons?
with that shield
Okay.
right there. Can you put it down? Can
Do
you
you-
put that shield down?
Do you have anything in your pockets that we'd be concerned about? Do you mind just standing up and just kind of doing like a
I'm
turnaround?
sitting down
I know.
here.
I just want you to do a turnaround just to make sure you don't have anything.
Detaining me.
Okay. I just want to make sure you don't have anything that I'd be concerned about as far as weapons.
I don't have any weapons on.
Okay. Can you do me a favor? At least just stand up and just kind of do like a turnaround.
Does that make you feel better?
They would.
Yep.
Well, just
I'm just gonna sit here because that I'm just having.
okay. Well, like I
don't know what
said,
you're talking about. My dad got drunk. Fell down
yeah.
the stairs.
If you don't mind just standing up and just kind of doing a spin, like a slow spin, so I can make sure that you don't have any knives or anything in your
Well, how
waistband.
about I just do this? Is that good enough?
Yeah,
for
I
you?
can't see your back though. Can you actually just? Okay.
You see good enough?
Okay.
All right.
You blind?
Good.
Can you
Okay.
move so you can see?
Appreciate that.
I
Okay.
don't have any weapons.
Yeah, I can't see
Here, I'll
you.
tell you this too. I'll tell you my pockets.
Okay.
No weapons.
If you don't mind.
Here, I'll do this. This much for you.
Okay.
Phone, wallet, I'll take that out. I'll be this nice. I don't have any weapons.
All right, we're gonna push up here.
No, listen.
Okay.
No, keep your hand in your pocket. Put your,
I'm gonna be this
Pull your hand out of your
nice.
pocket.
We're just
I'm gonna
talking.
be nice. Here, keys, lighter. I'm gonna take that out. No weapons. Oh, sorry. Chapstick. Chapstick. I'm gonna be that cool. No weapons.
We're just talking.
No weapons. A lighter. That's it. I got no weapons on me. I'm just smoking a cigarette. My dad got drunk and fell down the stairs. I'm telling the honest to God truth, man.
So, all right. So I mean, obviously he's saying that you guys.
Officers, I don't care. I don't want your business cards. I don't want to see your IDs. I don't want to learn your names. I just want you to just go. You know.
Okay.
You know, I'm sick of this nonsense.
All right. So obviously he's telling us a whole different story. So
He tells a lot of stories. You should call him Dr. Seuss. He tells some good stories. I call him Dr. Seuss.
Okay. Well, yeah. All right. Do me a favor. Stand up.
I'm not.
Stand up.
Am I being detained?
Yeah. Yes.
Am I being?
You're under arrest.
Oh, for what? Wait, just let me peacefully put this down. I'm not doing it for what?
Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Domestic grant.
No,
Battery.
no, it is not.
Okay.
He got drunk and fell down the stairs. I want all my property on
Tango
me.
3, Mark 1, male in custody, and you can open the channel.
Yes, sir.
Turn your palm.
Yes, sir.
There you
Or let me relax, sir. I'm not resisting, sir. Ma'am.
We appreciate
Put your palms together like
Officer.
you're
we appreciate the cooperation.
There you
No,
go.
sir.
There you go.
No, sir.
Okay. Palms together. So, yeah, this one's twisted a little bit. So.
I'll just clench.
There you go. You're good.
Don't put them tight. Do not hurt me. You don't need to make them super tight. I'm not
I'm
resisting.
just trying
I
to
will.
make sure that you're comfortable here, okay?
This is not. This is ridiculous.
Okay. That's all. Locking them so they don't tighten up on you. There you go. Okay. Okay.
You did not have to knock down my door.
Yeah, knock it down.
Or you opened it up.
No, I
Or
did
we opened it
not.
up with the key. We didn't knock it down.
Get the wedge.
All right.
Yeah, I got it.
Stand by.
You did not have to.
Do me a favor. Read the report.
I will. I will walk. I will walk.
That's fine.
I will. You do not need to pick me up. I will walk.
We're not picking you up. We're just.
You. I told you it's my
Yeah,
stuff.
we'll give you your
It's
stuff
going to
back.
come with us to the police station, okay?
Listen. Yes, yeah, I took.
That's another.
I told you this just should be a lighter.
Just gonna. Yep, that's fine.
I don't have any weapons.
That's fine. Here's
A
right.
whistle.
Okay. Pop that off there real quick. Thank you.
Get off my nuts, man.
Yeah. Well, I gotta search everything. Make sure you.
She
don't
can do that next time for you, sir.
All right,
I don't think my husband would appreciate that, but thank you for the offer.
I will walk. Do not pick me up.
We're not going to pick you up. As
We-
long as you
we-
that's
cooperate
what
and
I mean,
walk,
any
we're good.
journey-
We expect you to act like the adult that you are, so that's not a problem. Okay, we're not going to do anything that we don't need to do. Okay,
This is a bunch of nonsense.
so if you're going to walk, cool, we'll walk with you, man. It's not that big of a problem.
Officer. Come on, I don't have any weapons on me. I don't have a single weapon on me. There's not a single weapon on me.
Yeah, we'll take it off and look in.
In the
Unless you can go
station,
over.
sir.
They got it.
You got it.
Can you tuck it in, sir?
Yeah, we'll take care of that. Okay. Is that the clasp is just a lock?
It'll probably go over his head once we get into the
Please, just
station and
tuck
get the
it in,
glasses
sir.
off.
Let me tuck it in, sir.
We're going to pop these off real quick. We'll just go over your head.
Sir,
Okay.
that's fine.
Well, I understand.
Yeah,
we're
we're gonna-
going to give everything back to you. We're not going to keep anything from you, okay? So, there you go. Thank you. Okay, we're going to walk this way by way. Okay?
Better days than
We all have we'll figure this all out. So.
Bruno Mars with
Hang
the
on, real
fire
quick.
truck.
Hang on real quick. Let me just brush this up, make it easier for you, okay? Well, you can just go.
Normally I would ask
There's a
for a
paper
ride to a dispensary after this, but I'm doing good.
No, that's
Get
not
that
gonna
paper clip out of here.
That's not going to happen. Okay, watch your head. Yep, just sit right down. Got it? Can you grab that mic?
Yeah. We going to the station?
Yep. Just gonna open this up for you. It's kind of an awkward seatbelt.
Can I have my chapstick when I get in there?
Just a few. All right. Okay, just hang tight. We'll be back with you in a sec. Whose car is this?
Issue 3 Investigatory Detention Terry Stop on Curtilage. When the subject emerged, officers detained him without placing him under formal arrest. Under Terry v. Ohio 392 U.S. 11968, a brief investigatory stop requires only reasonable articulable suspicion, a substantially lower threshold than probable cause for arrest. When asked directly, "So you're just detaining me," the officer confirmed, "Yup." This explicit acknowledgement satisfies the transparency standard in Terry and reduces ambiguity as to the subject's freedom of movement. The subject's claim that it's private property does not defeat a Terry stop. United States v. Dunn, 480 U.S. 294-1987 confirms that curtilage falls within the Fourth Amendment but does not immunize a person from lawful investigatory detention. Issue 4 Fifth Amendment Right to Silence. At timestamp 503, the subject stated clearly, "I don't answer questions anymore." This constitutes an unambiguous invocation of the Fifth Amendment right against compelled self-incrimination. Under Burgess v. Tompkins, 560 U.S. 3702010, a valid invocation must be unambiguous. This statement meets that standard. Any statement obtained by officers after this invocation without fresh Miranda warnings and a knowing voluntary waiver is inadmissible at trial under Miranda v. Arizona 384 U.S. 436-1966. Critically, this invocation occurred before formal arrest. Pre-arrest silence can still be invoked under Salinas v. Texas 570 U.S. 1782013. However, pre-arrest silence is not automatically protected unless expressly invoked, which the subject did here. Issue 5. Arrest without stated cause. At timestamp 812, the officer announced arrest without specifying the charge. The subject immediately challenged. For what? Under Dunaway v. New York, 442 U.S. 2001979, a full custodial arrest requires probable cause, but officers are not constitutionally required to state the charge at the exact moment of arrest. Probable cause here rested on the domestic battery report, physical injury observed on the victim protective order served that morning, and the subject's refusal to comply with lawful officer commands collectively satisfying the standard. Failing to state the charge nonetheless creates tactical risk. It fuels resistance as evidenced here and weakens the evidentiary narrative. Best practice requires officers to state the charge clearly and immediately upon placing a subject under arrest. Issue 6 Search Incident to Arrest and Use of Force. Search incident to arrest is a well-established Fourth Amendment exception. Under Chimmel v. California 395 U.S. 7521969, a lawful arrest authorizes a full search of the arrestee's person and the area within immediate control. The subject repeatedly asserted, "I'm not resisting," while objecting to handcuff pressure. Under Graham v. Connor, handcuff-related force claims are evaluated under the objective reasonableness standard weighing crime severity, active threat level, and degree of resistance. The disputed entry method key consent versus forced entry carries suppression implications. If entry was unlawful, all evidence obtained as a direct result may be excluded under the exclusionary rule established in Map 5. Ohio 367 U.S. 643-1961. Lessons Learned Law Enforcement 1. Confirm protective order validity and scope before making contact. A served order establishes independent arrest authority upon violation. Document this in the incident report. 2. State the legal basis for arrest immediately and audibly on camera. This reduces resistance, satisfies due process notice, and strengthens the evidentiary record for prosecution. 3. Document method of entry explicitly on bodycam, whether consent, exigency, or warrant. Ambiguity on this point is the most common trigger for suppression motions in residential arrest cases. Lessons learned citizens. 4. An unambiguous pre-arrest invocation of silence, I am invoking my right to remain silent, is your strongest available legal protection. Short, clear, and on camera. 5. Verbal compliance paired with verbal objection is legally optimal. Comply, physically, state your objection clearly for the record. Resistance escalates force. Objection preserves appellate rights.